Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to blink this LED using this Wi-Fi dashboard. And currently this dashboard is working in the STA mode. And I will also explain that what is STA mode later in the video. So let's start the project. So in my previous video I discussed about this AP mode, which stands for access point mode. And in this mode your ESP32 acts as a main router. That means it creates its own hotspot. But in this video I am going to discuss about the ST mode, which stands for station mode, and this Wi-Fi scanning mode. So first of all, let us discuss about this station mode. So what happens in the station mode? You require an external router, right? This is an external router, and all of the devices like ESP32, your monitor or laptop and mobile phone can connect directly with it, right? With different IP addresses, and that IP address is provided by this router itself. And you see the direction of the communication. It is from the external devices towards the router, right? And this is the image for the access point mode. Here your ESP32 acts as the main router and all other devices connect with it with different IP addresses, right? And the IP address is provided by this ESP32, okay? And here the direction of the communication is from the external devices towards the ESP, but here the direction is different. It is from the ESP towards the router, right? So this is the difference between the access point mode and the station mode. So this is the program for controlling the LED in the ST mode, and the LED is connected to GPIO number 12, and these are the Wi-Fi credentials of my mobile phone. So basically in this project my mobile phone is going to act as a main router, and both my laptop and the ESP32 will connect to this mobile phone with different IP addresses, and you need to change this password and the SSID with your original ones. And the web page that we are going to use for controlling the LED is being hosted on this port number 80. And this is the HTML plus CSS page for that UI web page, right? So in this web page UI, I am creating two buttons, one for the LED on and other for the LED off. And these are the properties that a button has. And in the setup section in this line, the ESP32 asks the router, which is my mobile phone, for an IP. Okay. So whatever the IP that the ESP32 will get is being assigned by my mobile phone in this line number 59. And in the loop section, this is the main control logic for the blinking of the LED, right? And in my previous video, I have already talked about what are these capital H and capital L. So basically these two are the endpoints. And capital H is used when the LED is in on state, that means in high state. And capital L is used when the LED is in off state, that means low state. Now we are going to upload the program in the ESP32. So for that you need to select your respective model number of the ESP32. I have ESP32 dev module, and also select your port number, which is COM5 in my case, and hit the upload button. So the program has been uploaded. As I have already told you that the laptop and the ESP32 both are going to be connected to the mobile. So first of all, let us connect the laptop. Now the laptop has been connected, and open the serial monitor. And whatever the IP that you will get here, that you need to paste in the browser. If you do not get the IP in the serial monitor, just press the enable button and you will get the IP printed on the serial monitor. So this IP is provided by the mobile phone to the ESP. Just copy it and paste it in browser. And you can see this is the dashboard. Now click on LED on, and you can notice that the LED has been on. Now click on LED off and the LED will be off. So the dashboard is working fine. Now the last chapter for the today's video is the Wi-Fi scanning mode. So as the name suggests, the ESP32 will search for the Wi-Fi from the nearby devices. So go to Files menu, then Examples, and scroll down to search for Wi-Fi and click on Wi-Fi scan. A new window will open that contains the code that will be uploaded in the ESP32. So I am currently using the baud rate of 9600. You can also set any other baud rate. Now upload the program. Now the program has been uploaded. Now open the serial monitor and you will see the list of devices that are currently active. So the total number of devices are 14 here, right? So in this way you can scan the number of devices which are currently active around the ESP32. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and comment your doubt in the comment section. And if you want to see the first part of the video based on AP mode, then you can click here, and I will see you in the next video.